Here's another in-depth appliance repair video. Today I'm going to show you how to put an idler pulley on a Whirlpool dryer. We will be working on this Whirlpool English dryer during our demonstration. Ensuring your dryer is unplugged, we need to first take the top up. To do that, we need to take the lint filter out. Put it off to the side. Look where the lint tray is at. You will see the two screws. You need to go ahead and take those out as well. And put those off to the side. Now that we have our screws out, we need to lift the top up off this dryer. And to do that, I'm going to take my straight screwdriver and I'm going to pry up on the left and right side of this crease right here. Okay, here's the right side. What you'll do is you'll feel for this support that's in here. When you find it, push on it and lift up. You'll do the same thing on the left side. Feel for that support, push in on it, and pop up. Now that we got it up off the supports, we need to lift it up. And remember, you have to take the screws out of the top first before you can pop it up. Go ahead and lift it. Now that we have the top up, we can take the front off. And what's holding that on is two 5/16 screws. One on the right and one on the left. So we're going to take our 5/16 nut driver and we're going to take those screws out. Here's the one on the left side. Here's the one on the right side. Once we have the screws taken out, we need to unhook the dryer switch, located on the right side. So I'm going to take a straight screwdriver and I'm going to work it in there and pry up on it and try to loosen it up. And once I got it loose, I'll just pull it apart. Once our dryer switch is unhooked, then we can take the front off. All I'm going to do is put my foot on the bottom and I'm going to pull on the top. Then I'm going to pull up. Lay it off to the side. Once we get the front off, we can take this idler pulley off, located next to the motor, so it keeps the belt on the drum and on the motor. Now it is a tensioner pulley, so when you push it, the belt will loosen up. When it does, take it off the motor. Once you get it off, that belt will hang loose and that idler pulley will come right out.